G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's to try one of their new Meltzz. Now they've got quite a few flavours there, but today I thought I'd choose the pepperoni and give that one a go. So let's whip in, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go! Alright, well here we go. I got the pepperoni Meltzz today. $7 this cost. Now, Pizza Hut brought out a Meltzz ages ago and it was half a pizza pretty much folded in half. This feels very light indeed. But before I weigh it, how about we suss it out, see what it looks like. Alrighty, well if you say so. I'm pretty sure I gave that Pizza Hut Meltzz a 10 out of 10 too. It was big and tasty. This one, oh, alright. Well, it looks nice and cheesy. And, well, if you've opened that up, that'd be half a pizza. I'm pretty sure the Pizza Hut one was a full pizza folded in half. So this is half the size for the same price. Well, that was a few years ago anyway. It's looking very crispy. Now, the pepperoni Meltzz is supposed to be their signature thin and crispy crust, folded and packed with pepperoni, stretchy mozzarella, classic pizza sauce, oven baked and finished with I'm guessing a touch of Parmesan cheese. It does smell awesome, but let's see how much it weighs. Well, if I lift this up, close that down, put that here, hopefully that balances to 0 and, well, 185 grams. Well, that's the size of a pretty small burger. And, well, it said it was packed with stuff, didn't it? So, let's see just how packed it is. Well, it's very hot. There's steam coming off. But basically, that's it. There is quite a bit of pepperoni there, I must admit. So that's good. All right. Let's give this a go. That's pretty good. Oh. Oily, greasy. That sauce in there just bursts into your mouth. It's cheesy as well. And the cheese, of course, is mozzarella, so it's chewy. Mate, this is super easy to eat. In fact, it's too easy. There's half of it gone already. Ooh, that's tasty. But I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $7. Well, you're paying $7 for half a pizza folded in half. You could get a whole pizza for $7 and fold it in half. It'd be exactly the same thing. You'd be getting twice as much. Flavour-wise, well, I love these things. I love the crispy base on it. It's so nice and crunchy. And with that Parmesan there, it adds this nice saltiness and flavour. The cheese inside is all chewy and gooey. And there is plenty of pepperoni there. And with that pizza sauce there, mate, that tastes good. Like, the whole thing just tastes really good. And I'm absolutely loving it. It's perfect after a big night, I reckon, one of these. But the problem I'm having is, well, it's half a pizza folded in half. You get a whole pizza for the same price and fold that in half and you have twice as much. So, you know, when you take that into consideration, my score out of 10, well, the only thing I can give it is... Well, flavour-wise, it's delicious. I'm giving that a 10 out of 10. But for the all-over value, mate, you're losing half a pizza here for no reason other than maybe a little bit of laziness and folding your own over. So the all-over score, I can only give it like an 8 out of 10. But still, that's pretty good. And, well, they are really tasty. I'm loving how the base of it is baked and bubbling like that, and it's so crunchy and crispy. And the guts of it inside is really nice too, and there's plenty of stuff on there, mate. Do yourself a favour. If you're having some Christmas cheer, whip down to Domino's, grab one of these. I'm sure if you get one, you're gonna like it. Well, I'm going to be sitting here, finish the rest of this off, and, well, not too much else, huh? There's nothing to look at. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Domino's. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review